Hello students, in this session I am going to discuss class 6 chapter motion and measurement of distances chapter 10. Welcome to AJ Akshara Academy channel. If you like this video, please share and subscribe and share your comments in the comment section. Let us go to the today's topic. Okay. Go to the sixth question. The distance between Radha's home and her school is 3250 meters. Express this distance into kilometers. Distance between Radha's home and her school is 3250 meters. The distance between Radha's home and her school is equals to 3250 meters. 1 meter is equals to 1 by 1000 kilometers. So 3250 is equals to 3250 by 1000, that is equals to 3.25 kilometers. In this question, given that distance between Radha's home and her school is 3250 meters, we have to convert meters into kilometers. 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometers. So 3250 is equal to 3250 by 1000, that is equals to 3.25 kilometers. This is the distance between Radha's home and her school in kilometers. Finally, that is 3.25 kilometers. Okay. Next, go to the next question. That is seventh one. While measuring the length of a knitting needle, the length of the scale at one end is 3.0 centimeters and at the other end 33.1 centimeters. What is the length of the needle? Coming to the solution, the reading of the scale at one end is equals to 3 centimeters. The reading of the scale at another end is equals to given 33.1 centimeter. Length of the needle is equals to 33.1 minus 3.0, that is 30.1 centimeter. So what is the length of the needle? Length of the needle is equals to length of the needle, that is equals to 33.1 minus 3.0. So 30.1 centimeters. Okay. Next, go to the next question. That is eighth question. Write the similarities and differences between the motion of a bicycle and ceiling fan that has been switched on. So in this question they are asking that similarities and differences between motion of a bicycle and ceiling fan that has been switched on. The condition is on condition. So solution, similarities, the wheel of a bicycle and the blade of a ceiling fan executes circular motion. Both are in circular motion. Difference, coming to the difference. A cycle has translation motion but a ceiling fan does not. So only one difference. Cycle has translation motion but ceiling fan does not in the translation motion. But what is the similarity? Both executes circular motion with the wheels of a bicycle and the blade of a ceiling fan. Okay. Next, go to the next question, that is ninth question. Why could not use an elastic measuring tape to measure distance? What would be some of the problems you would meet in telling someone about a distance you measured with an elastic tape? Come to the solution. An elastic tape will not give a perfect measurement because it can stretch as well as contact in size. So while telling the measured value using an elastic tape, one needs to specify how much the tape was stretched or contracted at the time of measurement, which is a very difficult job. So that's why we are not taking an elastic tape will have give a perfect measurement. This is the reason elastic tape is not measuring the tape to measure the distance. Next, go to the next question. Give examples of periodic motion. They are asking that give two examples of periodic motion. The examples of periodic motion are first one, that is pendulum of a clock, and the second one is motion of earth around the sun. These two are the examples of periodic motion. Okay, till now we discussed from 6 to 10 question and answers. Okay, thanks for watching this video.